My washer keeps beeping.
Your family is full of Star Wars fans. Maybe it is imitating R2-D2.
I'm serious, something's wrong.
Maybe they are not willing to unload the dishwasher, and it is trying to tell you to come get it.
I don't think that's the cause.
Look for an error message on the thing. For smart washers, it may be trying to tell you to come look at the error code and fix it.
If I do not know what the error code means, I have to call a repairman to come fix it.
Check to see if the lid is closed, since an open one could lead to it beeping as a warning. Or making sure it didn't die in the middle of a load.
I'd hate to find out it couldn't drain.
Worse would be if it drained out onto the floor.
If the unit is drained properly and empty, what else could cause the beeping?
I'm assuming the dryer is not begging to be emptied and turned off too. Do you have a leak control or leak diverter on the washer?
I have no idea.
A leak detector on the washer is like the hot water heater flood sensor. The beeping may be the control device saying oh, there's water where there isn't supposed to be.
I might have noticed water on the floor.
Ideally, there's a little leak before there's a big flood. And that device might be warning you of the leak from a little crack or valve problem before it becomes a big problem.
Or we need to fix the control panel.
First check for leaks and leak sensors. If that's not a problem, try rebooting your smart washer.
I'm too dumb to know how to do that.
Unplug it, then plug it back in.
That works for my fridge too.
It works for PCs too, though you're not supposed to do it that way.